In today's video, I'm going to show you this super quick and easy tie backless top. Using a t-shirt, I'm just cutting off the bottom, and this just depends on how long you want the shirt to be. Next, I'm just trimming off the sleeves. Again, this is optional, but that's just the look I was going for. Next, I also trimmed off the collar. I did this because I wasn't going to hem any of the edges, so it would just work better to have the collar be a raw edge as well. Alright, now that that's done, I'm going to flip it to the back and then find the middle of the back. I'm making a small snip here just to mark it. Then I'm cutting through just the back layer all the way through. Next, I'm folding it in half sideways. You can kind of see what I'm doing. This way I can just get both of the back edges as similar as possible. Now I'm just cutting a diagonal where it's wider at the top and shallower at the bottom. And unfold it and make sure you're happy with how your angles are. Now we're going to take that piece you cut off earlier and make the ties. So I'm just cutting a straight edge here, and then I'm just cutting two tie shapes, basically two long triangles. Then you just want to attach them right sides together to the edges, the back edges. So it's kind of difficult to see what I'm doing, but I'm just attaching them to the bottom part of the edges. You can see a little bit better what I'm doing here. For a no-sew option, you could also just tie these on the back of the top. Alrighty, and you are finished with your backless tied crop top. You could even wear this backwards for a bit of a different look. And we're finished. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!